Hi, so in this video I will show you the updates that we did for data validation. Data validation is a feature in PoolParty that helps user to find and repair the problems or the errors that are inside of the data, inside of your taxonomy. First thing that you can see is this orange line up here. This helps user or remind user every time that he will go away from the data validation, that there is data validation ongoing, and that's why some of the features or changes that you would like to do in your data are not possible. There is a helpful link also on the right side of it where you can click and it will link you back to the data validation. Second thing that we changed is that every single problem that you can open is redesigned here. So description of the problem, description of the repair that you can see here underneath every problem were changed, and now they should better describe the problem and its repair also. And if there is some visual possibility to describe the problem, this one was also redesigned. In this case, we are missing concept scheme triple for this specific resource, and it causing a problem for this relation has top concept. If we want to repair it, we can click on this button here. This will add the type, so we will add the concept scheme that was missing. And now this is another new thing. You can see that this problem is orange, so it becomes orange, not green. You can see it also up here. We have one problem and one change, and this is the also new improvement that we introduced to help users to see that anytime that you repair something, this repair can also create more problems. So before you are good with your data, you have to first recheck. So run the data validation again to see if there is no more problems inside of your data. So I will now click on recheck, and we can see that since we repair one of the problems, both of the issues are gone now. And if everything is green, we can see it also up here in this section about the table. We can click save, and this new data validation help us to repair all the data, and we can see all our concept scheme and concepts and taxonomy tree.